Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if you have a second-hand iPhone battery. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, first what you need to do is go to your settings, tap on General, and then tap About. Now, you have your name, model number, serial number, if you scroll down, some other stuff. If you have changed your battery and whatnot, under parts and service history, you will have like battery, and it's going to say genuine Apple part, which means it's a genuine Apple part. But if you do the service and add the battery and it tells you unknown part, that means most likely a second-hand battery was used and not the original one. Another thing you can do is go back to your settings, copy your serial number, go to Safari or any website or the browser and type in checkcoverage.apple.com, enter your serial number here, enter the cache, and here you will see basically more information about your iPhone in general. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.